Remove binoculars body using your hand. Remove binocular part. 014 using your hand. Remove binocular part. 025 using your hand. Remove binocular part. 026 using your hand. Remove binocular part. 022 using your hand. Remove binocular part. 021 using your hand. Remove binocular part. 006 using your hand. Remove binocular part. 033 using your hand. Remove binocular part. 034 using your hand. Remove binocular part. 007 using your hand. Remove binocular part. 008 using your hand. Remove binocular part. 036 using your hand. Remove binocular part. 032 using your hand. Remove binocular part. 037 using your hand. Remove binocular part. 035 using your hand. Remove binocular part. 003 using your hand. Remove binocular part. 028 using your hand. Remove magazine using your hand. Remove pin shoulder stock blocker using your hand. Remove pin shoulder guard using your hand. Remove shoulder stock using your hand. Remove WZ part. 011 using your hand. Remove WZ part. 001 using your hand. Remove WZ part. 000 using your hand. Remove WZ part. 014 using your hand. Remove WZ part. 007 using your hand. Remove WZ part. 002 using your hand. Remove WZ part. 005 using your hand. Remove pin hand guard B using your hand. Remove pin hand guard A using your hand. Remove pin hand guard C using your hand. Remove pin hand guard D using your hand. Remove hand guard using your hand. Remove hand guard part. 059 using your hand. Remove hand guard part. 052 using your hand. Remove hand guard part. 018 using your hand. Remove hand guard part. 036 using your hand. Remove hand guard part. 034 using your hand. Remove hand guard part. 035 using your hand. Remove hand guard part. 054 using your hand. Remove hand guard part. 030 using your hand. Remove hand guard part. 031 using your hand. Remove hand guard part. 053 using your hand. Remove hand guard part. 048 using your hand. Remove hand guard part. 019 using your hand. Remove hand guard part. 032 using your hand. Remove hand guard part. 033 using your hand. Remove hand guard part. 021 using your hand. Remove hand guard part. 020 using your hand. Remove hand guard part. 000 using your hand. Remove hand guard part. 058 using your hand. Remove upper receiver using your hand. Remove pin receiver using your hand. Remove receiver using your hand.